Hey pool owners, this is Rob with Inyo Pools. Today I'm going to show you how to shock a pool using a granular chlorine. There's a couple different types. This is a calcium hypochlorite chlorine, and usually it'll be right there on the bag of the shock, and it lists how strong it is. It's 68%, so that's pretty normal. There's also a dichlor shock, which is stabilized. So typically I recommend using the cal hypo because in most cases you have enough stabilizer in the pool and you don't want to put too much in. But anyways, a couple reasons why you'd want to shock the pool. If you've tested the water and it's below 1 part per million, I'd go ahead and shock it. And also, even if you didn't test it and you're noticing that the pool just looks a little off, or maybe there's a little mustard algae growing on the wall, I'd go ahead and shock the pool. Most of these bags are gonna come with directions on the back. This particular one requires 1 pound per 10,000 gallons. And my pool is 10,000 gallons, so I'm going to use this whole thing. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, the first thing you want to make sure is that the pool pump is on and the water is circulating. And then you'll grab a bucket, fill it up with some pool water. Take the bag of shock. Go ahead and pour the shock into the water. All right, and then get a wooden stick, or I'm using some PVC pipe. And I'm going to stir it up. Now what you'll do is you'll take the bucket and you'll pour it along the edge of the pool, preferably near one of the return jets. Sometimes you may notice some chlorine left in the bucket. What I like to do is just fill it up with water, hold it near one of the jets, kind of blows it out. Dump out the rest of it. If you notice some granules sit on the bottom of the floor, you don't want to let it sit there because it could discolor your gunite or even your vinyl or fiberglass. So get your pool brush and just run it along the bottom where you see those granules and pick them back up. All right, and that's really all there is to shocking the pool with a granular chlorine. Just a couple things to keep in mind. After you shock the pool, wait about 24 hours before you go in because the free chlorine level is going to be pretty high and it may irritate your skin. If you have multiple bags of this and you're going to store it, just make sure it's in a cool, dry, well-ventilated area. Keep it away from anything flammable because this stuff is combustible and could catch on fire if it's near something flammable. Other than that, if you have any questions regarding pool chemicals or anything pool or spa related, visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks for watching.